All right, welcome everyone. My name is Kurt, and I am looking forward to showing you my workflow for coloring sequential comics in Procreate on the iPad. Procreate's an amazing tool. I've used it in my own projects several times, and if you have some experience or you're used to other software that's more commonly used for coloring comics like Clip Studio or Photoshop, Procreate selection tools can leave a little bit to be desired. So I'll show you some tricks and workarounds to make sure you're getting the most out of it. And a little bit about me. I have been coloring comics since 2011, professionally, drawing since birth, effectively. I started teaching coloring online in 2013, and it's still pretty fun for me. So a few quick disclaimers. This is going to show you a workflow for coloring comics with Procreate. And of course, you can apply this to other types of art, but that's really what it's going to be focused on. The other thing is this is not a how to draw course. This is not a color theory course. I have another course for that. But coloring can be time consuming, and there are certain parts of the process that take longer than even the videos that I can post on this website. So what I will do is I will show you the steps in order to get started. And in some cases, I might need to skip ahead in order to not do the entire process of an actual page in a course, because even professional colorists, can take hours and hours to do a single page, so that's something else to keep in mind if you're watching this and you're thinking, well, this is going to take a while. True. Yes, it will. It can, especially if you're just getting started. You will get faster, by the way, if you keep practicing. And last thing, especially if you've followed my YouTube channel, you've heard this over the years plenty of times, but there is no industry standard in the way that comics are colored. The process itself, there's no standard. You could ask 50 colorists what their process looks like. You might get 50 different answers. So keep that in mind. This is just my own, what I believe best practices, best way to handle this. But of course, you could ask, another colorist and get a different opinion. So keep that in mind. And what I've done with this course, in the first lesson, I'm calling it a quick start lesson, I think, at this point. The way it's going to work is it's going to give you a really quick way to get started coloring immediately. So if you're drawing there and you're like, look, man, I just want to color this like a coloring book, I've got you. The first lesson, we're going to talk about that. And then we're going to dig into all of the nuts and bolts to get into more of a technical workflow. But those of you that are just like, hey, I just want to color something real quick, I drew a picture of my dog, I don't know what to do, we'll take care of that in the first lesson. Procreate is an amazing app. It's one of my favorite apps. I'm looking forward to showing you some cool stuff, so let's get going.